Hi there, my name is Osman Nuri. I am going to talk about my cousin. His name is Benjamin. He is average height and medium weight. He has a brown eyes and wavy hair. Benjamin is grateful and very patient. He has a leadership personality. He is friendly and reliable. He likes reading books and doing research. Benjamin is studying in economic departments. His goal is to be an academic. We go camping together every summer. We swim and a lot of fun there. We stay there for 2 days. There are people in his family. He has three sisters and two brothers. His father's name is Vedat. He is 55. He is retired. Her mother's name is Zeynep. She is 45. She is a housewife. That's all I have to say. Thank you for listening to me.